Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber and if you're new to my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more information on topics that I cover on my channel. So today we're going to talk about the thumbnail creator for TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is a tool that's pretty versatile. There's a lot of different things you can do with TubeBuddy. When you make a YouTube video, you need help with SEO kind of stuff. They have excellent keyword stuff, keyword searches you could use, but they also have a thumbnail creator in there. So let's dive in and check out what it has and kind of some of the tools that it has. But before you do that, if you haven't already downloaded TubeBuddy, make sure I'm going to leave my affiliate link in the description. You can click on it, and then it'll take you to this screen, and you should be able to see those two little options there. I click on the free version, and you can use the thumbnail creator here. So here's a quick video that I posted so that we could dive into the key create the thumbnail option. So first things first, once you upload the video, it has to load all the way, and then this will highlight, this little area right here will highlight that it's ready to be used. So you just click on it here, and then TubeBuddy generates these options for you. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can get a still frame out of your video, and you could use one of the scenes in your video, and then pause it and put some words above it and do some stuff like that. That might be a good option. Let's click on it so I can kind of show you what we're talking about. So this is a intro and everything. Now in the video, as you can see, get rid of that. There's a lot of text and everything right here, so that might not be the best background if I want to do like a clean background thumbnail. Okay, so but you could use that if you wanted to, and then hit continue, and then you can throw some text on there. So I'm just gonna put text, make it bold, it doesn't matter, and then add the layer. You can add the layer. So there's the text right there. I could move it around. I could do, whatever. I could change the, make sure you highlight it. Highlight the, right over here. You're going to highlight the text, and you can change, change the font. Do whatever you want right here. That's kind of cool. I like that. Make it big. So you can do that. If you want to do that, you can change the color, put some, different options, some shadow, some outline stuff, some white, the black right there. The black looks kind of cool. So you can do that kind of stuff there. You can put an underline under it, different options. Unbold it, bold it. I like the bold. That looks good. But again, this may not be so good with a bunch of text heavy background. So it's preference on how you want to do this. So I'm gonna back up so we can look at some other options. Another option is you could have a solid background. Pretty awesome. And then again, you can continue, throw some text on top of there, and do that. Okay, so if you wanted to put a picture in there, you could do that as well. I have a solid background with a picture and text. That's what a lot of thumbnails look like. And you want to make sure that they're real clear, that you can see them from a phone, and then also see them on the web too. Let's go to this background first. So the limitations, you can't put like clean select images, like PNG images in there. You have to have the pro version of TubeBuddy, but that's okay. I mean, these are some really great tools and backgrounds that you could use right now, especially if you're just starting out and you want to have some really cool clean backgrounds. That's a really cool one. Maybe if you're doing a music review or something like that, that's a really cool option. That's really neat too. I do like this one. That is really nice looking, professional. So you can put some text on top of that, yeah, if you wanted. But for now, let's use this one. I like this because it's a lighter background. It's a little bit brighter, and any text we put on it, it'll really pop out. You see that? How this text kind of pops out. So you know what? Let's say I don't want to use this text right here. you can just make sure you click on it. And then once you have it in control, you just throw it off the screen. And then you don't have to worry about it anymore. Okay, that layer is gone. So let's do this. So the first thing that I want to do with this thumbnail is I'm going to add, this image. Now I uploaded this image already. This TubeBuddy image, because we are talking about TubeBuddy. So I'm gonna put it right here. And then, I'm gonna add some text. So we're gonna go thumbnail, what is it? Thumbnail generator, I guess we could do that. Generator. All right, I like that. And or maybe we just do thumbnail and do generator as another layer. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm gonna use I like this one right here. This was pretty cool. And then I'm gonna bold it. So let's add that layer. So there it goes. So you can see that's pretty big, right? So let's maybe turn it down to XL. There we go. And you know what? We could even give it a little tilt. Right there. Okay. Okay, that's cool. All right. So let's do. So if we wanted to add some more text, make sure you just click outside of it. So the thumbnail, you can also always go back to it. And again, you wanted to add, I like that, adding that, adding the outline. Okay, so I'm going to click outside of that. And then let's do some more text. Okay, so let's go, let's put generator on there. Okay. So, okay, let's see. Generator again. I'm gonna put we'll keep it in red. I like that red right there, and then we'll put an outline on it, and let's add that layer. Okay, so there it goes. All right, kind of like a cool look there. Let's bold it. Boom, little tilt. Thumbnail generator from TubeBuddy. Okay, that's cool. I like that. Let's throw an emoji on there. You can do like a different animals if you want to do something. There's the food option, some sports stuff. All your emojis and stuff. You can do that. Let's see what it is. It's like some computer stuff. Let's see if they got a. If you wanted to put on here, let's say like maybe like a little film strip. Put that, you can make it a little smaller, maybe put it off to the corner, something like that. We'll make it a little bigger, especially if we're going to use it in the corner, something like that. That's kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? So you can do whatever you want. Like that looks cool. Like, so leave that there. I think it looks clean. You're always going to have that play button right here in the middle. So if you can avoid this little area in the middle of your thumbnail, but people will know and they'll see it. Another tip that you want to do is, show a face, a face, your face if you want, so that people know you're talking, it's coming from you and stuff. That's another good tip. But again, you need to upgrade to the Pro version to do that. So you can see how ours looks right here. So TubeBuddy, thumbnail generator, nice big bright words. It pops out, it's outlined. And you see what I'm talking about? Other people, how they have the face in there. It's coming from them. So that's good. That's good. And this one doesn't, but that's okay. Ours is, I think it's really good. It's really bright. It's really big. TubeBuddy thumbnail generator. That's nice for our purposes. All right. And then look, it also gives you some tips right here. Maybe use bright colors, use good fonts and shapes. It'll show you a preview of what it might look like on Facebook. And then if you want to do Twitter, but YouTube, I'm sticking here with YouTube. So I like it. So we can hit save and publish. Are you sure you want to publish it? Just hit OK. Okay, thumbnail successfully added. You could always, reload it to do some changes. And then if you want to download the thumbnail, if you like it, you can upgrade and get your license, and then you can do that. But I think for this purposes, there it is. It's right here, this thumbnail, and it'll be on this video. All right, so that was just a real quick little explanation on the thumbnail creator. I think it's a really great tool to have. TubeBuddy, it lets you see those options that were next to it, so you can kind of see how yours looks compared to other videos. But again, I'm gonna leave my affiliate link in the description. Click on it, download TubeBuddy, and start exploring. Use the free version at first, and then upgrade if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. I think it is 1,000 subscribers, and that you can get half off the pro, the next level up after free. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But thanks for watching. You guys have a great night. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.